think we should take the car, Mummy Pig?
I love Peppa Pig.
Long way to walk to playgroup.
We don't have to walk. I made that mistake this morning. We can scooter. Race you! Whee!
Wait, what's going on with the TV? What's going on with the TV? I want to watch Peppa Pig, but what's going on with the TV? Wait a minute, what's going on with the TV right now? I don't know what's going on with the TV. Oh, that's the app. Oh, wait for Peppa Pig. What's going on?
And can you hear?
Emergency alert. Is that a Creepiest Stranger? The Creepiest Stranger did it? But I want to watch Peppa Pig. Oh God, why does this Creepiest Stranger do that? What's going on with this emergency? Oh God. The Creepiest Stranger made this emergency alert system. The stranger made the creatures looking at a house. What's going on? I want to watch Peppa Pig.
This is your first and final warning.
What's it?
This is not what it appears to be. This is God's plan. This is his message, his instruction, and his time. This signal will change all sinners. Because this earth here, no lives will be saved. Those gazing will share death to the gates of heaven. Come home to the gates of heaven. Heaven awaits you. Come home.
Why did this Creepiest Stranger do that? I want to go back and watch Peppa Pig. I want to go back to watch Peppa Pig. I want to put in the Peppa Pig. I want Peppa Pig now. I want Peppa Pig. What's going on with this TV? Yay! Now Peppa Pig. I love watching Peppa Pig. Wait a minute. I see creatures. I'm about to turn off the TV now.